plotting mantissa and exponent in base 10 of the following numbers. Here we have these three numbers. We have to find all of them. Okay, now let's look at the in the A part. We have 85.0. This is a positive number, so the sign bit is going to be 0, because for the positive number sign bit is 0, for the negative number is 1. So sign sign is equal to 0. Okay. The next thing is we have to find out the mantissa and also the exponent. So to find those two of them, we have to convert this one into a binary number. So let's convert 85 into binary number. Convert 85 into binary number, we can use the division. 85 divided by 2, that is 42, and the remainder is 1. And then 42 divided by 2, that is 21, and the remainder is 0. And 21 divided by 2, that is 10, and the remainder is 1. And then 10 divided by 2, that is 5, and the remainder is 0. And then 5 divided by 2, that is 2, and the remainder is 1. And then divided by 2, that is 1, and the remainder is 0. Then 1 divided by 2, that is 0, and the remainder is 1. And then we read from bottom. So this is going to be 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now to express this, to find out the exponent, we can do it like I had to get a decimal point right here, right after the first digit. So I had to move how many decimal point from here to get to this place. So here, from here to here, 1, then here to here, 2, here to here, 3, then 4, then 5, 6. So totally I had to move 6 places to reach this point. So that means the exponent is 6. Finally, we have to find out the mantissa. Mantissa is basically like this. If you put a decimal point here and find out the decimal equivalent of this, that's gonna be the mantissa. So here this is at location 2 power 0. Okay, 2 power 0, and you know that binary numbers after decimal point goes like 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3, 2 power minus 4, 2 power minus 5, and then 2 power minus 6. So the first one is 2 power 0, and at that location we have 1, so that's going to be straight 1. And then at 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 1 also we have, actually 2 power minus 2, we have a 1, so that is 1 over 2 square, that's 4, 1 over 4. And then 2 power minus 4 also we have 1 right here, so plus 1 over 2 power 4, that is 1 over 16. And then 2 power minus 6 also we have 1 right here, so that is 1 over 64. Okay, so this is going to be, the answer is going to be 1 point and addition of all these numbers. If you calculate, if you use calculator and find the value, it's going to give you 328,125. But we are not done yet here, because the question mentioned floating point. Determine the floating point, sign bit, mantissa, and exponents. Floating point means in decimal, that is totally 16 digits. So here we have taken care of like how many digits? 3 plus 4, 7 is gone. So 16 minus 7, 9 more zeros left. So we have to put 9 more zeros at the end to express the mantissa. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. And this is our mantissa. Okay, that is the answer for the A part. Sign bit is 0, the mantissa is this number, and the exponent is. Now let's look at the B part. the b part we have 160. Sign is 0 because it's a positive number. And to find out the mantissa and the exponent, I had to convert this one into binary. So let's go and do that. 160 divided by 8, the remainder is 0. 80 divided by 40, and the remainder is 0. 40 divided by 2, that is 20, the remainder is 0. 20 divided by 2, that is 10, and the remainder is 0. And then 10 divided by 2, that is 5, and the remainder is 0. 5 divided by 2, that is 2, and the remainder is 1. Then 2 divided by 2, that is 1, and the remainder is 0. 1 divided by 2 is 0, and the remainder, and then go from bottom to top. So this is going to be 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. This is binary. Now to find out the exponent, here exponent, find out the exponent, we move decimal point from here to this place. So 1 4 5 7. I remove 7 for place to get this point. So the exponent 7. Okay, and then we put a decimal point here. Then what's going to be the conversion of this one in decimal? So 2 power 0 times 1, that's 1, and then plus we only have 1 at this place, that is 2 power minus 1, and this 2 power minus 2. At 2 power minus 2 we have 1, that is 1 over 4. So we are going to have 1.25, and then we taking care of 3 digits, so there are 13 more digits left. We fill up that one with zeros. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, 5 13. So that is our mantis. Okay, that's our answer for C part. Now let's do C part. In the C part, we have 83, 83.0. Now again, what is the sign bit? Sign bit is 0 because it's positive number, and bit equal to 0. And then find out the float. Find out the mantissa and the exponent. I convert this one into binary. So 83 divided by 2, that is 41, and that minus, and 41 divided by 2, that is 20 divided by 2, that is 10, and the minus 0, and 10 divided by 2, that is 5, and the 0, and 5 divided by 2, that is 2, and the minus, and 2 divided by 2, that is 1, and the minus 0, and then 1 divided by 2, that is 0, and the minus 1. And then we go from bottom to top. This is 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so find out the exponent, move the decimal points here to 1 2 3 4 5. I need to move 6 points to reach the place. So the exponent is, and then if I convert this one into binary, that's going to be 1 plus, and for short form I put minus 5 6. So for 2 power minus 2 we have 1 here, so that's 1 over 4, and also 2 power 5 we have 1, that's 1 over 32, and 2 power minus 6 also we have 1, that's 1 over 64, and if you add them together, that's 1.296875. That is totally 7 digits gone. So we have 9 more digits left. We fill up that one with 0 5 1 4. This is our mantissa. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you guys on my next video.